Hi, I'm Sean Gannon and this is minutemath, and today we're going to learn about multiplying radical expressions. So if I was given this expression, the square root of 6n times 7n to the third plus square root of 12. Alright, well inside this parenthesis there's nothing that I can do to simplify, so let's distribute the square root of 6n to both parts. Well, the square root of 6n times 7n to the third really can't combine anything under the square root. So we have 7n to the third times the square root of 6n. That's it. Plus, we distribute now the 6n to the square root of 12, and this one we can combine under one big square root. That's 12 times 6n. Okay. Well, luckily, 6n really doesn't break down to be anything. I mean, it's 2 times 3, right? We can't find any pairs, and so the square root of 6n just stays there. So this one just keeps coming down for the rest of the problem here. So we have 7n to the third times the square root of 6n. But this 12, right, can break down to be 2 times 6. And watch this. I'm going to stop here. I'm not going to keep breaking down 6 to be another 2 times 3. I see a pair right here, a pair of 6s, right? So now let's say a pair of 6s. I'm going to take that pair right now instead of breaking down this even more. Okay? Bringing that out, the pair of 6s outside with 6 here. Left the lone rangers by himself is the 2 and the n. Okay? So now let's go rewrite this a little nicer here, okay, that 2 and that n. So it's 7n to the third times the square root of 6n plus 6 times the square root of 2n, okay? Now, if I wanted to, I could have, broke down 6 to be a 2 times 3, and this one to be 2 times 3, and then paired them up and brought them out. But since I saw at the end here, without breaking it down all the way, that I saw a pair, I really can cut that a little short, okay? This one gives me my final answer of 7n to the third times the square root of 6n plus 6 times the square root of 2n. So let's recap. We're given the square root of 6n times 7n to the third plus the square root of 12. I distributed the square root of 6n to both parts, giving me 7n to the third 6n plus the square root of 12 times 6n. Then from there, okay, I kind of broke down the 12 to be 2 times 6, and I circled my pair of 6s. Brought that to the outside to get me my final answer here of just 7n to the third plus the square root of 6n plus 6 times the square root of 2n.